What are your housing plans in retirement? My name is Trevor Carlson. I'm the president of Heritage Reverse Mortgage. Let's talk about your primary options after you go into retirement of what you could do for housing to suit your needs the best. Now, this article today is prompted by a conversation I had yesterday with one of my oldest clients, or one of my first clients since I started my company. In her situation, we did a reverse mortgage for her years ago. And she's loved it. She's loved the house. She's loved the flexibility of the mortgage. But she's getting to a point now where her mind is starting to go, and she's recognizing that she cannot stay in this home anymore. And so she's trying to decide, what do I do? Do I stay in the home anyway and bring in outside care, or do I sell it and move into a care facility, an assisted living situation? And so we went over her options. And the nice thing about the reverse mortgage she has is that not only has she been able to live better for the past 8 years in this home by not having that burden of a monthly mortgage payment, but the reverse mortgage has grown at a pace that it's left her equity really intact. And so now she has the option to sell the home at this point. She can cash out all of that remaining equity, and she can go into a care facility and get the help and the assistance she lives to deal with her ailing health and mental capacities. And so this is what I usually recommend for everybody. We want to plan for the best case scenario, which is that you will age in place. And so when you're in the home you think you're going to be in for the rest of your life, that's where you really want to start to consider a reverse mortgage. Now, if things change along the way, maybe you need to move into another neighborhood, or you want to downsize to a smaller home, there are options that you have. As I mentioned, with the reverse mortgage, we're retaining a significant amount of your equity in the home so that you're not going to run out. You're going to have equity left that you'll be able to use if you do need to relocate and buy a new home. Or likewise, you can use that equity to invest in assisted living or long-term care situations that fit you better as you get older. And so, again, primary goal for most of my clients, how do we age in place? When it gets to a point where that's no longer an option, no problem. Sell the home, cash out your remaining equity, and you can use that to move on to the next best situation. And so again, if you're worried about this, you've been thinking about this either for yourself or someone you love, let's look at your options. Let's project as best we can what the future is going to look like so that you can make the best decision today to shore yourself up and put yourself in a good situation. My phone number is 435-359-9000. Visit us at heritagereversemortgage.com. We look forward to talking with you and helping you through this decision. All right, we'll see you.